Hello friends, today we are going to see how to replace a sensor in a water level controlling system. Water level controlling system, as we know, controls the pump when the water in the overhead tank goes down or the water in the below tank gets exhausted. Now what you see is the water controlling system. It can be of any brand. You see four wires. One is the power cable over there. Yes, now you see three wires running around. One is the black cable which goes to the pump, and two are the sensor wires which are of grey color. The wire which is right now been shown on the screen goes to the lower tank, which is typically the storage tank in which the water is stored. Now what we are going to see is, after we open the lid of the below storage tank, you see the wire, the sensor wire hanging in the tank. We have just removed that wire, and what you see right now on the screen is the sensor that we shall be replacing. Now the sensor wire has four small conductors, that is cables. Each conductor is connected to a sensor. What you see is a sensor over here. As you see, this sensor is damaged. It is rusted as it is submerged into the lower tank. Now the sensor has been removed. Yeah, you see it is damaged. Since it is damaged, it cannot conduct a current which is to the extent of milliampere, which is very small current. Now principally, as we know, that water conducts electricity, and that's why these conductors or the sensors can actually sense the water level. What we are going to do is, we removed that old sensor which was bad or damaged, and now we are going to replace the new sensor. I purchased these sensors from Amazon. Pretty good sensors. So we are going to remove one of the sensor from this packet. The sensor packet had 5 in quantity, and now we are going to just replace or attach this sensor to the conductor from which the old sensor was removed. So now this is a new sensor, pretty good one. We would attach it or connect it to the conductor which had old sensor connected to it. We're using wire stripper over here so that the old conductor which would have got damaged is been cut, and now what you see is the new sensor is been simply attached to the conductor which had old sensor. Now this way, all the remaining sensors, there are 3 sensors in the below tank, all the sensors will have to be removed and replaced with the new sensor. Now please keep in mind that there is a distance that you need to maintain in each between all the sensors. That is sensor 1, then you have to keep gap, sensor 2 keep gap, and sensor 3, the last sensor. Please keep in mind that there are 2 wires attached to the last sensor. You have to remove sensor from those 2 wires and then attach a new sensor to the same 2 wires. Now what you see on the screen is basically a new sensor been attached. We are just taping the sensor, and now here are the remaining 2 sensors. As I said, there are 3 sensors in the below tank. Now using the similar procedure, all the two sensors will be replaced with the new sensor. Now similar procedure will have to be carried out in the overhead tank, above tank. This way you can maintain your water level controlling system for years till there is no electronic problem. Thank you.